to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to make condensed milk. So let's begin. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First, I'll show you simple ingredients easily available in the market. First, add 380 ml milk and 100 grams of sugar in a saucepan and keep it on a high flame. And stir. After adding the sugar to the milk, stir continuously. Do not stop. Once the mix comes to a boil, add the baking soda and continue stirring. Let the color of the milk change to a light brown shade. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the mix. Do not add too much of baking soda. Stir till the mixture has thickened, then take it off the gas and then keep stirring. Once the mixture has thickened, it is done. Let the condensed milk cool down for a bit or keep it in the fridge for later use. You can use the mixture on a fruit salad or a cake. And enjoy!